In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star files in Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself sifting through a multitude of files and folders in Google Drive, struggling to locate the one you need quickly? Well, starring your files is a fantastic way to flag and access them promptly. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Type Google Drive into your search engine and hit Enter. Then, click on the official Google Drive link that appears in your search results. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Google account because this gives you access to your saved files and folders. If you're not signed in, go ahead and click on the account icon, or your initial usually located at the top right. Select or add the appropriate account, enter your password if prompted, and voila! You're now inside your Google Drive. The next step is to find the specific file that you want to bring more visibility to. Browse through your list of files, or if you have a certain file in mind, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it promptly. Once you have found the file, you will notice 3 vertical dots next to it, often referred to as the More button. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu with additional options for that file. Here, you'll want to select the Organize option. Once you do that, you'll see an option labeled Add to Starred. By clicking this option, you're adding this file to a special group of files that are easily accessible. Now to view your starred files, and this is where the magic happens, head over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Starred. This is essentially your curated selection of files you have marked as important or worth easy access. When you click on Starred, you will instantly see a list of all the files you have previously marked, bringing all your crucial documents into one easily accessible spot. And just like that, you now have a personalized section within Google Drive where your vital files are neatly organized and sharp for immediate access. This method streamlines your workflow and ensures that you spend less time looking for the right files and more time getting things done. Practice this a few times, and you'll find that it saves you so much time down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your Google Drive files simple.